This is another crochet apron case, and I posted a tutorial on my channel. You can see the link in here or here. Okay, as always, you need your hook and the yarn. I'm gonna make a slip knot like this. Insert my hook and make it tight. Now we need to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I want to make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first one and this is the second one. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one was the last chain. Now I want to crochet 2 more single crochets inside of it. So 1 single crochet, and the other one should be on this side. This is the other side, so I'm going to insert my hook inside of there and make 1 more single crochet. Now in here we need to make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, you see these loops in here? 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now in the last chain, I'm gonna make 2 more single crochets. It already has 1. Now I'm gonna make 2 more. So 1 and 2. Now you should have 18 single crochets. Now I want to make 1 slip stitch inside the first single crochet we made, like this. Now I want to chain 1 and make another single crochet inside of the first stitch, like this. The chain count as 1 single crochet, so I'm going to mark it as the first stitch around 2. Now we need to make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we need 3 increases in these 3 stitches. So 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the first one, 1 and 2 single crochets inside the second one, and 1 and 2 single crochets inside the third one. Now again we need 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 2 increases inside of these 2 stitches. So 1 and 2, and again 1 and 2. Now we should have 24 stitches around this oval. Okay, now we need to make 1 slip stitch inside of this chain that we made. I marked it, so 1 slip stitch, 1 chain as 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochets inside of the next stitch. Now let's mark the chain again in here. Now we need to crochet 6 single crochets, so 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now in the next stitch, 1 increase, inside the next one, just 1 single crochet, again 1 increase, and 1 single crochet, again 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. Now again we need to make 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now again in here I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet, and 1 increase. Now you should have 30 stitches. Now I want to make another slip stitch in the first stitch around 3. So like this. Now I want to mark the chain. Alright. Now in the next stitch I'm gonna make 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next one. So 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Now we need 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again that pattern, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 1 increase. Again 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 1 increase. Now for the third time, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 1 increase. Again we need 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now again 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and 1 increase, and again 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Now you should have 36 stitches around this round. Okay, now I want to make a slip stitch. Inside the first stitch of this round, and chain 1 as a single crochet. So now you need to keep doing this and making this pattern up there. For this time, after these 6 single crochets, you're gonna make 3 single crochets, 1 increase 3 times for this side and this side. After that, you're gonna have 42 single crochets. Okay, now this is the end of the round 5. Now I want to make another slip stitch in the first stitch that we marked. So come on, 1 slip stitch, and again chain 1, mark this chain, now we want to make 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. So let's make just one single crochet until we have 42 stitches, exactly like the previous round. This is the end of this round. Now again I want to make slip stitch. Just like that. In this round we are going to make popcorn stitches. After making the slip stitch, you don't need your stitch marker now. Chain 3 as 1 double crochet and make 4 double crochets inside the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I want to make a popcorn stitch, so this is what I'm gonna do. You see this 3 chains in here, first one, second one, and the third one. I'm gonna insert my hook inside of the third one like this. Grab this loop, make it tight, and pull it through the chain. Now chain 1. I'm gonna skip 1 stitch in here, which is this one, and make another popcorn stitch inside of the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochets inside the same stitch. This is the first double crochet, so I'm going to insert my hook on top of the first double crochet. Grab the yarn and pull it through. Again, chain 1 and make 5 double crochets inside this stitch. We are going to skip this one and make 5 double crochets inside of this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again, let's make it like a popcorn. Insert my hook on top of the first double crochet, grab this loop, and pull it through here. Again, chain 1. Keep making these popcorn stitches until you get here, and you will have 21 popcorn stitches. Okay, now I have 21 popcorn stitches. Now I want to make slip stitch after making a chain. So I'm going to insert my hook inside of there and make 1 slip stitch. For the next round we want to make single crochets, so I'm going to chain 1 as 1 single crochet. You see this V shape in here? I'm going to insert my hook under it and make 1 single crochet. So you need your stitch marker for here. Let's put it. Alright. Now you need 2 single crochets on top of each popcorn stitch. So this is the first one. And this one is the second one. Again, this is the first one. And this is the second one. Keep making single crochets until the end of the round and you will have 42 single crochets. Okay, now I have 42 single crochets. Now let's make 1 slip stitch. So we are going to make this pattern 1 round of popcorn stitches and 1 round of single crochet. So keep making 1 round of popcorn stitches and 1 round of single crochets until you get to the size that you need. I like this size of the pouch, so I have 4 rounds of popcorn stitches and single crochets. Now I need 2 more rounds of just double crochets, so I'm gonna chain 3, 2 and 3 as 1 double crochet. In the next stitch I'm gonna make another double crochet and 1 double crochet inside each stitch. until you have 42 double crochets, and you need to get here. So make 2 more rounds. I made 2 more rounds of double crochets. Now I can cut the yarn after the slip stitch. Now you need a piece of yarn and your needle. I'm gonna insert my needle from here and bring it out after 3 stitches. Again, I'm inserted after 3 stitches. And again, bring it out after 3 stitches. Leave a tail for here. And keep sewing until you get here. These 2 tails should come out from the same gap. You see they are in the same places. This is how we close our pouch. Now I need a little knot in here. Make 1 more. And another one to make it bigger. Like this. Now we can cut the tails. Now I want to put a little bow. This is optional. You can do this if you like to. I'm gonna make one. So this is a little bow as a charm on my pouch. The pouch is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to support my channel, like this video, and share it for your friends.